Okay, so here you're going to see the Intrepid 438 Evolution. So stepping on the back of the boat, you're going to see she is powered by Mercury Verados. Nice rumble seat that folds up there. Beautiful dive door that opens up. Excuse me. So we're going to go ahead and step down into this beautiful salon area. How nice. So you get a high-low table there that will pivot. That could be made with a berth when it's folded down. And look at this woodwork here. Just beautiful. Nice bright feeling. You have high-low cold storage. And the top loading storage actually keeps everything cooler. Starboard side, we have a guest stateroom here. And then port side, we've got the nice head with a dedicated shower, electric flush toilet.
Maybe because he's docking on this side, maybe he wants to be able to. I don't know, but here you can get out quicker, you know, to 2 lines.
Over on the starboard side, we have a really nice galley system set up. Got a induction cooktop, nice deep sink with a cutting board. Plenty of storage here.
There's no joystick control. He doesn't have that. They'll all come with a thruster now. And a joystick has the sky so you can actually hit a button. Oh, really? And it'll stay pointed the right direction you're pointing to. Oh, that's how your batteries
So stepping around on the port side, this nice powder coated rail here. And you see this can be configured however you want it. But this is kind of like a SUV type boat. Nice use and space to set up for paddle boards and other things. And then looking through here, you're going to see the upper helm area there. This one doesn't have the electronics installed on it yet, but 2 bolstered seats, cold storage down below, mechanical space.